Good evening, everybody. Tonight we're going to be looking at understanding different text structures in various types of text, such as fiction and nonfiction. Some of these you may have heard of, and some of them might be a little bit new to you, but let's go ahead and get started. First, remember to take notes because half of your assignment will be graded on the note taking and the other half will be for the assignment. As you can see, the definition of text structures are: it refers to the way that the authors organize information in text. There are various types of ways that authors can organize information, and as a writer, ways that you can organize information. Some common types that you may or may not have heard of are chronological order, sequence order, cause and effect, problem solution, enumeration, and exemplification. Today we're going to examine just a few of these and not all. The first one is the easiest one to remember, and most of you probably have a good grasp on already, but it's chronological order. Chrono means time, and the definition is an order of time or time order. For example, this could be timeline events or just events that happen in order. Usually stories go from a beginning to an end, but they could contain some flashbacks, but usually they go in order from one event to the other as a timeline format. The second thing we're going to look at is cause and effect, something that happens as a result of something else. As little children, we all have experimented with different causes and we've had different effects with different things. As an example, a possible cause could be smoking, and a possible effect could be lung cancer. We can think all day of different things that have different causes and different effects. The next one looks a little funny, but it's called enumeration. All it means is listing. If you have trouble remembering this one, you can look up here at the various word that we see here, numer, which means number, the Latin root number. So it would help us remember listing. As an example of this, you can create a grocery list or listing certain dates or times that things have occurred. In text, you'll see, this happened this date, listing down, down, and down, and you can see that usually in nonfiction text. The next one we have is problem solution, another one oh so common to us in class. A definition is that something happens as a result of something else. For example, Jimmy is not happy about his failing report card. As a result, he stays after school to complete makeup work. You can use keywords in a passage or a sentence to understand what kind of text structure. The key here is going to be as a result, as a solution. So we can see that the problem and then the solution have occurred in the same sentence. For your homework tonight, you're going to write a paragraph in which you had a problem and you reached a possible solution using imagery. In one of the previous videos, you've talked about making the reader see an image in their mind. Be sure to include the problem and solution as well as the imagery in one action-packed paragraph. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow.